It's hard to believe that this used to be a very modest property. Now, it's been completely reimagined into a 6-bed detached family home. Enter through these electric gates and it immediately feels private, well established, and very impressive.
Poor boy from the backwoods, thought I never would find my way.
But this just isn't any renovation. With over 50% of the property being newly built, it's been created by a developer with a keen eye for perfection. You can feel that straight away with just the way that things flow and function. And then, at the centre of it all is this open plan kitchen diner with over a 4-metre island with quartz worktop and a range of appliances. They're all Siemens, from warmer drawers to the coffee machine to dual dishwashers. It really does have it all. And then it opens up into something really special. This has to be my personal favourite room. A double height garden room with oak beams, a log burner, these bifold doors, just allowing the outside in from every single angle. When it comes to the reception rooms, there's a real sense of balance throughout. We have a more formal lounge at the front and a media room set up for the films and sports at the back, not to mention the double garage with electric doors. Up on the first floor, we just have to take a closer look at this master bedroom. It just feels so calm in here, and like everything else, so well executed. Over here, there is a bespoke dressing area with plenty of built-in wardrobes, and over here, a really special ensuite bathroom. Across the upper floors, there are 6 bedrooms and 4 en-suites, not to mention this immaculate family bathroom. And the top floor doesn't fail to impress either, with 2 further bedrooms, both with an ensuite, including this huge bedroom, again with its own dressing area, and this time with a little different character, including the Velux windows. Is this the master bedroom? You really would be spoilt for choice. Step outside into this absolutely unbelievable garden. This patio really is the most perfect setup for barbecues and family get-togethers. But not only that, imagine sitting here enjoying the peace as the sun begins to set. So as you can see, the whole outdoor space has been landscaped to perfection, including these brick-built flower beds filled with the most beautifully coloured flowers, adding that extra finishing touch to an already perfect family garden. So if you're looking for your dream home, look no further. Give us a call today and we will be delighted to show you around this one in person.